All right, Clarky. Hey, Paris. But there on a bush mouth here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, I'd like it to be good night. When I no cock up in our bed and I watch Debbie down a yard. That's St. Mary again. And all of that. But there we are cool out today. We are going to stay up on Mama veranda. Veranda brought down everything, but you don't know it going no matter. Things are going to go on. With that St. Mary, I cool up. I come see what go on, come I never did get for. See the last, I when me did finish the tomb with that for run, car rain, and we there. So, me I go flip the camera now and make you see what go on.
Like, man.
So we there, sit down, see Uncle Murphy, them Uncle Murphy yell at the people them now.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
In the country here, cool out, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So we
good friends, you know.
Yeah.
Better than pocket money, so I always be there for them.
Yeah, man. Alan.
Yeah.
See people them, I know.
Bless. To
Yeah.
all the people them, you know.
Yeah.
And guidance and more love.
All right.
That we send all the while love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Jack read about the place, you know, but it not reach down here so yet.
In a reach.
So, yeah, up on Mama veranda with there right here. So, we are chill today. We are cook country food. We done with over Mama there stuff in now.
Yeah.
We have to look at something left for do, but I know not maybe down in the Easter. So, we come in a place and we there, so sit down on Mama veranda. Nevertheless, we don't have nothing to hide. I don't know, so I don't have nothing to hide, you know. I go on a tour of Mama like a veranda. I don't see how it stay, you know. See all the ceiling them that you know, then tear down, you know, all of that, you know. And all of that are going. Bow show, fireman. In round there, so, yeah. So we are going to cook some food now, one little kitchen round there, so. And all of that. That out the road, they say, in a bush, there in a party, bush. Uncle Murphy car park there, so. So look here. We are wait for Jack Curry for coming to our place. And we are going to have a nice time, irrespective of the weather. Weather not so nice, but it's cool. And all of that. So look here. We catch up back with a little more. St. Mary we say.
St. Mary we say.
Yeah, yeah. A party we up a yard there. And Jack Curry that, you know, Curry see people in here, you know. We are lighting the front part of the yard there, party. Too much bush.
Yeah, morning to everybody. Rastafari. Hello. Give thanks and praise to the Most High. King Selassie. Jah. Rastafari.
Yeah, Curry.
Yes, I.
So we there on the front of party, we are lighting the car up and the little main in our district with there, you know. You can't see a pear bush still, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, but
Light, we are lighting.
yeah, we are lighting up here, so.
Place to once, you know.
We are trying our best, you know.
Try bring it back like one time.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, man.
Tell me that.
Not.
Let me cut this.
The video now.
So, what you say, Corey? You cut up your phone. Then, Corey, we in a kitchen now. We run a bushmouth kitchen here. Country kitchen. Corey, I cut up chicken. We are going to cook brown stew chicken. Just take off in like them. Take off in like them. And take off in like in a giant and then you take off it tie. And so we are going to do it and take off with them. So, Corey, I cut up fowl. And so on. We are going to do some country cooking in a mama little old kitchen. And if a mama kitchen this, you know, a different kitchen this. Mama kitchen is the right around this, so. But nevertheless, kitchen goes and kitchen comes. See fire around this, so it's smoke. It's a young smoke that Curry.
Yes.
Yeah, a young smoke that. Yeah, we call this young smoke. Shoot them up that on the young smoke. Shoot them up on the young smoke over yonder, yeah. What the pat Curry? Young smoke party up here, so with that. So no never know say that no never see that side of the Debs yet. So this with the pan so little bit. See? Alright, Paris. We hold on there.
No, not yet.
Hold on there.
Boy, son. Remember Pato?
Oh, remember Pato.
Pato son this.
How are you going? You good? Yeah. I feel your dog this? Hey, sir. Yeah, we in a place here. Jack already do some raking up here.
Yes.
How you feel it there? Oh, you're good though? Aye. Where your father? Okay. Oh, no. No, what him name there? Oh, what Pato again? No.
You don't know what about
Oh, Ado?
shadow man, a black
Ado,
white sun
Ado,
man?
yeah, me I mix it up. Chuma tell me say. So me never see him with you. What go on?
In the diamond. In the down there, man. This a youth I know you, you know. When they didn't get them small, you know.
Oh, yes. Look up it them. Eh? Then the bicycle can go over hill, Tommy? What? Oh.
And your length of wire, you're supposed to have a piece of wire for it for me. Eh?
I think it's in our house. Yeah.
Come here, I need if you do.
Yeah, we are do some rake up of the yard, yeah. Are we at the Alan Farin? We both should carry something them come for we wash the chicken. You let out the locks. Tony people you let out the dread. Yeah, turn it back. Natty dreadlocks. Alan that you know. Yeah, man, that's how we live our country. Everybody come, man. That's how we used to take up rubbish with we hand when we live our country, yeah. Yes, and take we hand take it up.
Just you know, last time I speed on a yard and I'm hand me up here, you got to take up dirt.
Yeah, that's how we grow. But then the time that we did that, you know, Uncle Murphy, we never did have no rake. Now then, something you know, we get rake from. Broom.
I use the coconut.
The coconut husk. I should have begged about shoe care one, make a show them. The coconut husk, where you get from mine, you know, the.
You strip off
But you don't know what to, the bone, the bush in a car when I broom for me, coconut broom. No, man, I want a coconut broom. See them boy, they come and help Auntie Debbie. Me get them flower.
Who that?
Auntie, boom in there.
Broom in there? No, let me want a coconut broom. Me not there. Where you going with? Where you care for me? Yeah, me there. So we're going to know, Alan, we're going to wash some meat. Yeah, you're not going to ash the pot. Are you tell me this? Well, we are going to fry chicken in this. We are cooking chicken in this. Eh? And we cooking food in this one. You know, food, you cooking enough food for everybody? Alright, this. So we have one fire. We can.
Food.
You're cooking food in that pot, yeah. Eh?
Yeah.
And see chicken here, cut up them and sour orange them. We are go wash the meat and all of that. We never open your kitchen here in the party. Country with there. And as usual, me are the only woman. Why? Can me not come to them? Me I only woman. Papa Jesus. Breeze a blow. Chicken tail out the door.
And the time cool and nice.
Yeah. And all of that. See down the gully there? Yup. And we are having not blue skies, but we still are got through.
Dark.
Yeah.
Clouds, you know?
Yeah, so Alan. So get some water in the pot and I could put on the pot, no man. I pot this? Water in the pot, man. That clean?
Put on the food pot.
Yeah, that him a do. Him a go get some water. Come put some wood in fire there. Carry run a bushmouth here in a bushmouth with that parry. You don't know a bushmouth this now, you know. A bushmouth this with now in a car.
Yes.
With that the real bushmouth now. Me used to that town, me I tell him to run a bushmouth there. But this, yeah, ashes the pot now, Alan. Show them how you ashes the pot. Yeah, but ashes, that's why I say ashes the.
Well, when you come on to
Alan, you make a paintbrush then dry up, man.
No, man, we throw the water and put it in different water, you know.
So, but you could have just wash them out and done.
If you don't take your auntie, they be brush them. You should tell me you have them on a yard and wash and no long time hang up, man.
Virgin.
Would I wash out them a long time hang up?
Alright, Alan, ashes the pot. Ashes the pot, make we
Would I wash
see.
them out long time hang up?
Oh, then soft. Ashes the pot, make we see. But you can't, you have to cover meat, yes, sir. What go on, yes, sir? I feel knife this, Alan. I feel knife, me a conquer. I feel knife, so dull, Ja Alan.
Wow, brush up.
Show people how you ashes the pot, sir.
Yeah, you have to damp up your shoes some water. You know?
Tell them. Them are
Step
sick.
back with me draw.
Yeah.
Me draw them dirty island.
Well, me curry just do. Me curry do. One the thumbnail there, you know, sir. Pupa G. No, me tell you, if you tell Terence Chubby Pumpkin.
Yeah. I wash up the chicken and I'm going to put it in the pot.
You know cut this orange yet?
I'm not cut them and squeeze them pan already.
Oh.
I cut this orange and squeeze them pan already, make it soak through the meat, you know. So I wash them up, you know.
Yeah, Alan, show them how you wash the fowl. This orange you cut off all the rawness,
All
you
of the
know.
rawness off of it.
Yeah, man.
So some wash them and drop them in and like piece, wash them off, you know. I have to wash out the slime out of them and them.
Yeah. Hey Alan, I wanna the long time I wanna jump them this so we put wood fire in I know.
No, when I come and make you up.
Eh? Want another one man.
You remember big iron jumbo in a
Yeah.
Eh.
No man, me know about that movie.
This pack with stone.
Okay.
Snake still in there.
Me feel say snake would in there man.
Alan snake still in there. What you mean? Then now come to stone and brothers video.
Yeah man, mama want me know about that movie when me there. Cause mama would have mama see snake, the mama ball. Mama afraid of them.
So you snake and some little bit
I want but I want all of them together.
They're harmless, you know.
Yeah.
But me not like them. Me not like how they move.
I don't like snake.
With them I watch and show with the anaconda and them people and
Anaconda.
sometimes with a company.
Show. Bow show, yeah. See it there. Go on, catch it. I better go slide.
Okay.
You say you want to book the place in a service?
Yes, man. The general a cut, clean up. You last sharp though.
Mom, it look good, man.
Yeah.
Feel good.
Hey, I like a piece of shoe black here, you see? And some decades a piece of shoe black you put it
Me
upon.
know.
And some decades a piece of shoe black the right here, say, you know?
I mean, it hold the land that it not slide.
Yeah, but me try to tell you, say, shoe black I want serious and lasting something.
Yeah.
I want this, I not church on this bow shoe. But the breadfruit then not shoot yet. I wonder if you get none this year.
Yeah, man. Put the right off now.
And a breakfast time now.
August, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, rain and fall from
Yeah. You want?
Yeah. Go show clean up down the gully.
Yeah, but the place
Look
Light
good.
up the place.
Yeah, man.
We're going to
Yeah,
fix
man.
up the place, Barry. We're going to fix up mama yard. So, them boy that yard help me, see? So, Uncle Curry,
Yes, me I
when
need
you
the
say you
flour.
roll some flour.
I need the flour. Me I need it. Me I start roll it up.
Oh, you just you need it, me now?
Yes.
Oh. So, some mixed flour that? Cornmeal.
Yes, cornmeal flour.
When you whip a white flour dumpling.
You understand? Yeah, man.
Yeah, alright. So, when you're ready for putting the dumpling them?
I will show you.
Yeah. Old curry make dumpling. Curry dumpling.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. And fire run a corner, yeah, so fire blaze.
Yeah, man.
Cause fire have a burn. Says Bosho. Feel good in our country and idea, Jackor. Long time I not get to call them life, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hey! I feel for them, yeah, Alan, or about shoe fall. Clock, me lay.
But see, I have one for them.
Then them the fall, then I must, them the vanish now. Clock. People them say me for come my country, can't get, when I rooster, then cook, then see when I country fall.
You don't know?
Where we are going to get one of them a country fall, yeah, them I want to look more. We can't get them?
Yeah, cock up your man.
Yeah, man, if people them say parry, cut that a yard, yeah. When we come back up a yard, we will catch one and boil him down with all nail.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Eh? That one there. And when we come back, we are going to start him out bow show. Yo, yes, when you come back here, we are near me. Yo.
Man.
So we have dumpling time, Jackor.
Dumpling time right away, you know?
Alright.
Dumpling time. Dumpling was soft.
Alright. A straight dumpling time. We have set up the kitchen different that when we come back, Jackor. We have more space. I'll now sort out the kitchen. I have to go fix up the kitchen and draw down the fire side too high.
I'm not going to build this fire, so it's
And put one pot over there, so. No, so?
Why in Billy Fire size so high is only him one can tell.
How high, man? You can't see what over in
No.
In
Nobody
iPad,
see
me
in
can't
iPad.
get to see in iPad.
Yeah,
Sorry,
me
me
also.
can't show in iPad because when the pot done cook, we take care of and show you. But right now, yeah, I the right thing this. The curry upon the movements, eh?
So the dumpling, you know?
Yeah, dumpling, straight dumpling. We cook renta yam and that we cook jack curry.
Rent a banana.
Renta banana and dumpling and we are going to brown stew some fowl.
Yes, I.
Yeah. Jack curry sort out the dumpling them, sort it out jack curry. Curry make them know so when them come, if you tell them in a curry, say look here.
When you come and see us, as well, you see me I deal with it. I saw me I deal with the matter for the same way, you know?
Right, good
Nothing
sir.
wrong, nothing different.
Yeah.
Same entertainment.
Legit thing, legit. Now look how careless
Same
workless
tasting of food. Just like what we are eat, I just want to eat same way.
Yeah.
So we
So
don't
what you say
have
about them smoking? Them can't get smoking
We
when...
like worries up here, man.
Alright.
You don't have no problem with weed.
Alright, sir.
If we can't get the weed, we don't want to come with a drive. We drive, we don't go look on the weed.
Yeah, alright. So dumpling time, when I yam time, we check back with you now.
Yeah, man.
So my two Rasta man nephew them here. Can't touch Alan like see Alan here. Alan have the taller one. Curry here come to you know boy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Alan one pretty. Curry one you good to you know. Curry one more neater. Curry the girls them are playing at your ear. Yeah, have a two Rasta. Boy, Alan you looks long. Father G.
Why do you go put Maria? This is the
Yeah, man,
I'll tell you something.
if you come at town, you put your hand to a massage girl and kick in a bikini. The next time you come at town, you kick like Van Damme.
You see everything we kick in a boy. Yo, let me tell you something. You see everything we kick in
You kick like Van Damme when she does massage.
Let me tell you something.
Curry.
Let me tell you something. It's time for you to stop live whole and live young, you know.
Atyo. Baba.
Young, me say, back the foot fuck this man.
No, stop.
If I did cans,
We are waiting to lease our board because phone, you know.
Bunyan can't eat.
He said about eat bunion, he Easter bun. Bunion.
Easter bun.
Yeah, but it's a bunion. Yeah.
The cheese cars, they call it cheese the yarn.